Here we have another La Pavoni unit, and it's pretty standard with these that after some time the arm gets a bit difficult to pull just because the gaskets need to get replaced. So we took her apart, replaced all the gaskets, took apart the group head, and just lubed everything up, made her nice and shiny, and now she's a running. I'm gonna let it build some pressure for a few seconds. There she is. Beautiful shot. Alright, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thank you.